Morning everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so this market still belongs to the bulls. We've traded as high as 1375, which is essentially a double top for the highs of the most recent swing high up at 1375. We backed off a couple of handles. We traded as low as, let's see, what did we do? We did 71.25. But you know, right now we're trading 73.25. The next thing on tap is jobless claims at 8:30. We'll see how that goes. But the thing is this: there's a persistent bid underneath this market. We've come a long way in a short time. I understand that, but the pullbacks aren't that deep, and the pullbacks are getting bought. So at this point, we are about 30 handles above the middle Bollinger Band. And that level, that 20-day moving average, has established itself and been tested as support. Hasn't been anything happening during earnings season that is so bad to knock us down, and there's nothing so horrible in the economic news that it doesn't speak to QE3 versus disaster. And there was nothing in the beige book yesterday that wasn't all that horrific. In fact, it was a little bit optimistic. So basically, there is nothing stopping the bulls from taking this up to the upper Bollinger Band, and to punch the upper Bollinger Band right now on the daily chart would be about 1387. And right now the bears just don't seem to have enough interest to knock it down. It's almost as if they're letting the bulls go ahead, have your fun. I'll see you up at 1385, 1388, and we'll deal with it then. So I don't have any short positions in the market right now. We are 40 handles above the 45-day pivot, and for those of you that have followed me for a while, that is technically overbought on a short-term basis, but we have been as much as 70 or 80 handles above the 45-day pivot to peak price, and we are still 15 to 16 handles above, below rather, what we would need to punch the upper Bollinger Band. So long story short, there's still room on the upside. And this is not the kind of reactionary buying with huge ticks above 14, 1500 that makes you say, people are being irrational, this is silly, I want to fade this right now. I want to fade this rally. I really, really do. But it's too early. I'll be short intraday, but on a swing basis, it's too early to fade. Let's look at support and resistance. Current trade 1373.5. So on the upside, you've got 1375, 1379, 1382, 1385, and 1389.66. On the downside, you've got 1372.5, 1366.83. Your daily pivot comes in today at 1363.42, 1362.25, and then the 3-day pivot 1359. If you want all the pivots, you can get them on the Topstep website. They're on the front page, on the home page of the website, or just click on my name under contributor, and everything will be right there. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.